First things first, let's open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and get acquainted with the layout. We need to know where to look for someone. And that starts by understanding how Discord is structured. Got it? Great. Your primary tool for finding users is the search function, which is conveniently located within the Friends tab. Click the Discord icon, usually at the top or bottom, to open the Friends list. You'll immediately see the search bar at the bottom of this list. This is where the magic begins. Now, if you've got a rough idea of the person's username, just start typing it in the search bar. Discord will instantly start filtering through all existing users and displaying matching profiles. Remember, usernames must be exact for it to work. Is the user you are looking for not showing up? Don't panic. Another effective way to locate someone is through shared servers, like your favorite gaming groups. Browse your server list, found on the left-hand side of your screen, then click on a server you share with the user, and then open up the members list, usually on the right-hand side. From here, locate your user in the list. When you've successfully found the user, you can then tap on their profile to perform actions, sending friend requests, direct messages, and initiating interactions. Finding people on Discord doesn't have to be a wild goose chase anymore. Now you know the steps. Happy connecting.